starting a daring journey that is drawing attention and raising eyebrows. They are preparing for a huge investment in a Mexican gigafactory. But here's the real reason why this move might give you the chills. In this video, we'll delve deeply into Tesla's massive investment in a Mexican gigafactory, uncover why Mexico is Tesla's next strategic move, and explore the genuinely terrifying implications of this decision. Stay tuned as we reveal the factors at play, the secrets behind Tesla's grand plan in Mexico, and why it's sending ripples of uncertainty throughout the industry. Hey, if you want more of this content, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Tesla Stock News. Okay, let's get going. Tesla is moving forward with plans to build a gigafactory in Mexico, and the amount of money needed is far more than first thought. Tesla and its suppliers will invest an astounding $15 billion in the gigafactory over the next 2 years, according to Nuevo Leon Governor Samuel Garcia. This amount is 3 times higher than what Mexican officials had first projected. Elon Musk earlier this year, Tesla's CEO revealed the company's plans to build a gigafactory in northern Nuevo Leon in order to increase its worldwide footprint. Musk did not reveal the precise investment amount at the time, but Mexican officials said it would be approximately $5 billion. However, Governor Samuel Garcia's recent revelation suggests that Tesla and its partners have committed to a much greater investment. Although the start date for construction and vehicle production at the Gigafactory has not been formally announced by Tesla, this large capital infusion is anticipated to strengthen the local economy and generate a large number of job opportunities. However, it will also require increased spending on infrastructure projects like public works and highways to accommodate the expansion. According to reports, the business plans to start producing electric vehicles in Mexico by 2025. This supports Tesla's continuous initiatives to increase its production capacity and satisfy the rising demand for electric cars. According to Walter Isaacson's recently published biography of Elon Musk, the company has decided to move the initial production of the next generation electric vehicle to its gigafactory in Austin, Texas. This change is primarily driven by logistical considerations, as engineers prefer to work at the production site to ensure the success of the new vehicle. Originally, it was speculated that Tesla's $25,000 electric car and its ambitious robotaxi project would be built on a new generation platform at the Gigafactory in Mexico. This choice highlights how important Tesla's Texas Gigafactory is becoming as a major production base for the business's future EVs, whereas traditional automakers like BMW, additionally Ford and General Motors, have declared their intentions to increase their EV manufacturing in Mexico. Tesla's significant regional investment demonstrates both its strong commitment to the Mexican market and its aspirations for the electric vehicle industry's ongoing global expansion. The wider shift of the automobile sector toward electric propulsion and sustainable transportation solutions may be significantly influenced by Tesla's entry into the Mexican market. Indeed, it's amazing to see Tesla's ambitions for growth, particularly with regard to gigafactories. Tesla now has 3 gigafactories in the US, the largest of which is in Nevada. These facilities are essential to the company's ability to produce its goods and help it satisfy the growing demand for electric cars. It is undoubtedly a big step for Tesla to decide to construct a gigafactory in Nuevo Leon, Mexico. This upcoming gigafactory is expected to be the biggest yet, possibly even larger than Giga Texas. Its significance stems from the fact that it will likely serve as the main location for manufacturing Tesla's next-generation vehicle platform, which will revolutionize the company by launching their eagerly awaited economy, and the vehicle is frequently referred to as the Tesla 25 or Model 2. Elon Musk is optimistic that this economic car would surpass all other Tesla models combined in sales. Therefore, the company's successful development and manufacture of this vehicle at Giga Mexico will mark a major milestone in support of this ambitious endeavor. Although the factory itself might not seem noticeably bigger than Giga Texas, Tesla has secured a gigantic 400-acre tract of land for the facility, marking their greatest footprint to date. Usually, Tesla uses the nearby area for auxiliary support facilities like battery cell production, power generating, and drive unit production. This centralization of infrastructure is a component of Tesla's supply chain localization strategy, lowering the need for imports and guaranteeing a more efficient production process. But it's important to remember that Giga Mexico's development might not proceed as quickly as that of earlier gigafactories like Giga Shanghai, because Tesla is implementing a completely new manufacturing system with the next generation platform that prioritizes efficiency and automation. Although labor costs are a factor in the decision to locate Giga Mexico in Mexico, there are other strategic reasons for doing so as well. The goal is to get the production process perfect from the beginning, even if it takes longer. At Giga Mexico, Tesla wants to establish an own manufacturing ecosystem. Lowering reliance on imported parts and expediting the production process are in line with Tesla's objective to transform the automotive sector by bringing production closer to home and increasing access to electric vehicles globally. As the company grows its global presence and makes investments in cutting-edge manufacturing methods, The company's dedication to its long-term goals of electric mobility and sustainable transportation is evident. Another step towards achieving this goal is Giga Mexico, which moves Tesla closer to creating an electric car that is more accessible and reasonably priced for the general public. Using its Gigafactory to produce the next-generation vehicle platform, which is anticipated to support Tesla's first economy car, also known as the Model 2 inches or 25,000, is one of the main components of the company's plan in Mexico, the Tesla. Elon Musk has highlighted that this car might surpass the combined sales of all previous Tesla models, which would be a significant turning point for the business. The choice to manufacture this new platform at Giga Mexico highlights how important it is. Although initial images may not show a noticeably larger factory than Giga Texas, Tesla has secured a vast 4,200 acres of land for the facility. The surrounding acreage will likely be used for auxiliary support infrastructure, like battery cell manufacture, based on Tesla's history with past Gigafactories, power generating and drive unit production. With this strategy, Tesla can consolidate all of its production infrastructure in one place, which lowers dependency on imports from far-off places like Nevada for this new platform. Tesla is starting a highly automated and effective production process that will allow the front, rear, and sides of the car to be built separately and simultaneously. These parts are then assembled. In contrast to Giga Shanghai's quick production rate, which benefited from Fremont's existing knowledge, this innovative technique, along with the launch of a new car type, demands careful planning and execution. For Tesla, Giga Mexico is a fresh start that calls for meticulous manufacturing process calibration. Beyond the presumption of inexpensive labor, there are a number of strategic factors that make Mexico particularly desirable for Tesla's growth. Tesla places a strong emphasis on automating and streamlining production processes in order to increase productivity per unit of labor, which in turn lowers the cost of human labor in the case of Giga Mexico. Although labor costs in Mexico are unquestionably lower than in the US, they are still not the only factor that influences the choice. Cheap labor isn't the only factor in Tesla's plan to enter the Mexican market. While labor costs are a consideration, Tesla is concentrating on streamlining its manufacturing to increase productivity. Additionally, the Mexican market is a key focus for Tesla's next big strategy. Tesla has been at the forefront of automation and manufacturing with the aim of developing highly efficient production processes that maximize human labor. It is significant to remember that Giga Mexico will function as a worldwide export hub in addition to producing cars primarily for the Mexican market. Although the new vehicle platform may not be the preferred option for the typical American consumer, this strategic approach is in line with Tesla's understanding of the wide range of consumer preferences worldwide, particularly in regions where space constraints and narrow roads make compact cars extremely desirable. In contrast to the United States, which has free trade agreements with just 20 nations, Mexico has a vast network of free trade agreements with 50 nations, which is another strategic advantage. This makes Mexico a desirable place for businesses like Tesla to reach a large target market for their cars without having to pay import taxes. This benefit further supports the business case for entering Mexico. Additionally, Tesla's move to invest in Mexico fits with a larger trend known as nearshoring, which arose in response to global supply chain disruptions like trade tensions between the United States and China and the difficulties caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. Nearshoring entails placing manufacturing facilities as close to consumer markets as feasible in order to reduce problems with global shipping routes, congested ports, and supply chain vulnerabilities. The capital city of Monterrey has impressive infrastructure, including towering skyscrapers, world-class architecture, an international airport, and a renowned institution like the Monterrey Institute of Technology. The state of Nuevo León, where Giga Mexico is located, is already a thriving manufacturing hub. Not only has Tesla taken notice of this area, but other businesses, particularly Chinese corporations, have also established production facilities close to Tesla's Gigafactory site. The entry of Tesla into Mexico marks a substantial change in the company's global operations. It involves more than just looking for inexpensive labor. It also involves streamlining manufacturing procedures, focusing on a variety of markets, and leveraging Mexico's strategic advantages. The objective of Tesla is to develop a novel, effective, and highly automated production method. By enabling the separate and simultaneous fabrication of car components, the next-generation vehicle platform will drastically cut down on assembly time. This strategy enables Tesla to guarantee high-quality production while perhaps lowering labor costs. Although larger vehicles may predominate in some places, Tesla's emphasis on creating vehicles that are suited to regional preferences shows its grasp of the heterogeneous structure of the global automotive market. Compact cars are very popular in places with constrained roadways, and they are made in Mexico. Tesla wants to enter international markets. Tesla benefits greatly from Mexico's vast network of free trade agreements, which not only allow for cost-effective exports, but also solidify Tesla's position as a major player in the global electric vehicle market. The company's nearshoring strategy in Mexico is a component of a larger trend that aims to build resilient supply chains by lowering reliance on far-flung manufacturing sites and international shipping routes. Contrary to popular belief, Tesla is better equipped to handle any outages. Bolstering the American economy can gain from Mexican manufacturing. A greater market for American-made parts and materials is created by more products being assembled in Mexico. As Tesla continues to innovate and grow its global presence, it is well-positioned for further growth and disruption in the automotive industry. The investment in Giga Mexico is not just about building cars, it's about influencing the future of mobility. Stay tuned for more updates and don't forget to like. Tesla's cars and battery packs are partially manufactured in Mexico using battery-grade lithium processed in Texas, fostering economic interdependence. Additionally, for the most recent information and analysis, subscribe to Tesla Stock News. Now, how do you feel about Tesla's approach of creating small cars for niche markets? How might Tesla's nearshoring strategy affect the supply chain's resiliency? And do you think Giga Mexico's location fits with Tesla's long-term objectives? We would be interested in knowing what you think about these queries. Additionally, if you thought this video was helpful, please hit the notification button and subscribe to Tesla Stock News for more updates. Bell will be current on everything related to Tesla. We appreciate your time and hope to see you in the next video.